Hello, English learners, and welcome to a new series that I'm going to try and make because some of you who have followed me for some time may have noticed that I'm not exactly the most consistent with my upload schedule. Sometimes I upload weekly, and sometimes I upload monthly, and sometimes just not at all. So, I am going to try and make content that is useful but also easier to upload and to make. So this is my simplified English series. In this series, I'm going to talk using clear and simple English as always, but I will just switch my camera on and start talking about something. So, the only thing that I will prepare is a topic. I'll have a look on Google, I'll try to use ChatGPT to give me an idea of what to talk about, and then I'll switch the camera on and just start talking. This is so I can give you regular listening practice in English, because in order to improve your English listening skills, you need a lot of listening practice, a lot of content, and only one upload per week, and sometimes less, is not sufficient enough. It isn't enough for improving your English, because you need to listen to many different things. You need hours and hours and hours of content. The way to improve your English listening skills is to notice patterns and notice grammar in context, so that your brain does not need to translate, right? Your brain currently, and some of you might translate when you listen, right? You hear something, you think, okay, that is the present perfect. Why is the present perfect being used here? Or some of you might be thinking, oh, what is the sentence order? What is the main subject? You're using rules to understand what you listen to, rather than intuition and instinct, right? Intuition, instinct, you're able to comprehend what you're listening to with no conscious thought, right? Your brain is not actively analyzing the sentence. You just know what this piece of language means, and that is just from hearing patterns many times over and understanding those patterns many times over. And so, my point is, I would like to try and regularly upload something for you as much as I can, so that you can keep hearing things in context in these situations that will give you this pattern recognition that you require. And, of course, another thing that helps is repetition, right? Repeat, repeat, repeat. And I think I have a habit of repeating things, so perhaps this will help you as well. So keep listening to this content. Keep coming back, yeah? If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now so you can hear my repetition, my rambling, right? I, ramble about whatever topic that the internet gives me, whatever topic I think of while driving in my car. And when I'm driving in my car, I might think, oh, that's a great topic to speak to my camera about, to give to my English learning followers. So that's what my plans are at the moment. It might work, it might not, but I appreciate the support from my current followers and subscribers, and yeah, I hope you stick around. To stick around, do you know what that means? That means to stay, basically, yeah? It's a phrasal verb, to stick, you know, something sticks to something. If it sticks to something, it stays on that thing, right? And around being within this area. To stick around means to stick within this area. I know some of you are probably on the other side saying, I know what it means, Tony. You don't need to explain. But some of the other watchers might not know. So allow me to explain. I already did explain, but you know what I mean. So yes, I think that will do for today's video. Thank you for listening as always, and you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and the next video will be just around the corner, right? And if you don't know what that means, it means very soon, right? If you turn the corner, there is my next video. So keep an eye out for it. I keep using these expressions. Keep an eye out. Keep looking to see when my video will upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.